Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we will learn names of vegetables.
Which vegetable is this? Cucumber. This is a cucumber. Which vegetable is this? Lettuce. This is a lettuce. Do you know this one? Onion. This is onion. Which vegetable is this? Pepper. This is a pepper. Which vegetable is this? Potato. This is a potato. Do you know this one? Tomato. This is a tomato. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. This is a carrot. Which vegetable is this? Radish. This is a radish. Do you know this one? Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Which vegetable is this? Leek. This is a leek. Which vegetable is this? Spinach. This is a spinach. Do you know this one? Corn. This is a corn. Which vegetable is this? Garlic. This is a garlic. Which vegetable is this? Eggplant. This is eggplant. Which vegetable is this? Zucchini. This is zucchini. Which vegetable is this? Broccoli. This is a broccoli. Which vegetable is this? Cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Do you know this one? Pea. These are peas.
Hope you have learned all the vegetables. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.